In this video, I'll show you how to download and install PowerPoint on your MacBook. This method works on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, and most other Mac computers. First, go to the dock at the bottom of your screen and open the App Store. If you don't see the App Store in your dock, press Command plus Spacebar on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Then type App Store and press Enter. Once the App Store opens, click on the search box on the left side of the screen. Type PowerPoint, then press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, look for Microsoft PowerPoint. It should usually appear near the top. Click on it to open the app page. Now click on the Get button to start downloading PowerPoint. If your Mac asks for confirmation, enter your Apple ID password, use Touch ID, or approve the download with your Apple account. After that, wait for Microsoft PowerPoint to download and install on your Mac. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch Microsoft PowerPoint. When PowerPoint opens, sign in with your Microsoft account. You can use an Outlook, Hotmail, or Microsoft 365 account. If you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you'll be able to create, edit, and save presentations with all the main PowerPoint features. After signing in, you can start creating new slides, opening existing presentations, and designing your projects directly from your Mac. And that's it. Microsoft PowerPoint is now installed and ready to use on your Mac OS. I hope this guide helped you set up PowerPoint easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.